Giggles and grapes.
Let's draw a giraffe. Let's color the giraffe. This is a giraffe. Let's call it Mr. Giraffe. Looks like Mr. Giraffe wants to go to the jungle so that he can eat and roam around. Here we are in the jungle, but where is Mr. Giraffe? Can you see Mr. Giraffe?
Peekaboo.
There he is. Can you wave bye to Mr. Giraffe?
Bye-bye, Mr. Giraffe.
Let's draw a mouse. Let's color the mouse. This is a mouse. Let's call it Mr. Mouse. Looks like Mr. Mouse wants to buy some cheese from the market. Here we are at the market, but where is Mr. Mouse? Can you see Mr. Mouse?
Peekaboo.
There he is. Can you wave bye to Mr. Mouse?
Bye-bye, Mr. Mouse.
Let's draw a frog. Let's color the frog. This is a frog. Let's call it Mr. Frog. Looks like Mr. Frog wants to do some experiments in his lab. Here we are at the lab, but where is Mr. Frog? Can you see Mr. Frog?
Peekaboo.
There he is. Can you wave bye to Mr. Frog?
Bye-bye, Mr. Frog.
Let's draw a worm. Let's color the worm. This is a worm. Let's call it Mr. Worm. Looks like Mr. Worm wants to read some books at the library. Here we are at the library, but where is Mr. Worm? Can you see Mr. Worm?
Peekaboo.
There he is. Can you wave bye to Mr. Worm?
Bye-bye, Mr. Worm.
Let's draw a cow. Let's color the cow. This is a cow. Let's call it Mr. Cow. Looks like Mr. Cow is lost in the city. Here we are in the city, but where is Mr. Cow? Can you see Mr. Cow?
Peekaboo.
There he is. Phew, he has crossed the road safely. Can you wave bye to Mr. Cow?
Bye-bye, Mr. Cow.
Let's draw a swan. Let's color the swan. This is a swan. Let's call it Mrs. Swan. Looks like Mrs. Swan wants to go to the pond. Here we are at the pond. But where is Mrs. Swan? Can you see Mrs. Swan? There she is. Looks like she is waiting for Mr. Swan. Here comes Mr. Swan. Can you wave bye to Mr. and Mrs. Swan?
Bye-bye, Mr. and Mrs. Swan.
Let's draw a fish. Let's color the fish. This is a fish. Let's call it Mr. Fish. Looks like Mr. Fish wants to visit the port for some important business. Here we are at the port. But where is Mr. Fish? Can you see Mr. Fish?
Peekaboo.
There he is. Can you wave bye to Mr. Fish?
Bye-bye, Mr. Fish. Subscribe, like, Don't forget to press the bell icon.